How to unclog a sink in 1 minute. Number 1. Try baking soda and salt. It is very effective to unclog a sink in 1 minute. You just do mix 1 by 2 cup of each and pour the mixture into drain. Wait about 50 minutes and then pour boiling water down the drain as well. All these components create a pretty aggressive chemical reaction and can unblock some of the tougher sink. Number 2 is try boiling water. This works very surprisingly. It is one of the best ways to unclog a sink. Boiling water is most effective when there is slow drain and a lot of tepid water already sitting in the sink. Fill up kettle or large pot with water and bring it to boil. Pour the water into the drain in 3 or 4 different stages. If this method is going to work, the result should be fairly quick. I hope you will enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button for new videos. Thank you very much.